Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by creating a precise workspace. Set the document to 1000 times 1200 px at 300 dpi so shapes stay crisp. Once done, add a vertical center guide and 2 horizontal guides to lock letter baselines. This keeps symmetry. Import a clear reference of the Rolls-Royce badge and scale it to 1 because accurate proportions matter. You're laying the foundation now. Make sure snapping is on, and vector layers are ready, so the next steps use clean, editable paths. You'll now convert the visual into editable vectors. Trace the 2 R letters with the pen tool on separate vector layers, following the guides to keep alignment. Next, build the double R enclosing rectangle with sharp corners and set a 1/8 stroke so proportions match the badge. Align corners precisely. Once the base is done, add serifs and use Boolean operations to merge or subtract overlapping shapes, then refine nodes for smooth curves. This prevents jagged joins when scaling or applying effects. Finish by styling. Apply a solid black fill for the classic look, or add a subtle 2% inner shadow or metallic gradient if you need realism. Convert all text and strokes to outlines to lock shapes, then export both SVG for vector use and PNG at 300 dpi for raster. Keep the editable source file. If something looks wrong, zoom to 800% and nudge problematic nodes by 0.5 px. That micro adjustment fixes visible edge artifacts and ensures crisp output when printing or scaling.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.